my God. It's 3:12 in the morning and I can't get any sleep. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh man, oh man, oh man. The same thing. Oh my God. My sleeping beauty still snoring. Oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man. Another night. Can't sleep. I think I'm gonna just get up now soon. Make myself an espresso or something. I just can't seem to fall asleep with all that snoring. And looking at the ceiling once again. Oh, honey, I love you. But you have to stop snoring so much. My God. Oh shit, I had enough of this. I'm just gonna go grab myself, make myself an espresso or something, have a cigarette. Oh yes, my beautiful morning espresso. I'm gonna try to get some sleep now. Oh, I just hope she doesn't wake me up again with her snoring. Good night, guys.